Hello, young counters. Today we are going on a fun adventure. We are going to count from 20 to 40. Are you ready? Let's go. We will learn about tens and ones. Tens are groups of 10. Ones are single numbers. Counting is fun. Are you excited to start? I know I am. Nine ones. We are almost at 30. Hooray! We made it to 30. 30 is 3 tens. After 30 comes 31. It is 3 tens and 1 1. Next is 32. 32 has 3 tens and 2 ones. Let's count 33. That's 3 tens and 3 ones. What comes after 33? You're right. It's 34. 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. Now we have 35. 3 tens and 5 ones make 35. Next is 36. It is 3 tens and 6 ones. After 36 comes 37. 37 is 3 tens and 7 ones. Then we have 38. 38 has 3 tens and 8 ones. Can you guess what comes next? Yes, it's 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. We made it to 40. 40 is 4 tens. Now let's count from 20 to 40 together. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wasn't that fun? We counted all the way to 40. Now let's see how well you remember. What number is 2 tens and 7 ones? How many tens are there in 30? What number comes after 39? You did a great job counting today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep counting and soon you'll be a counting superstar.